What is the old economy? The term old economy has two possible meanings. It may refer to the 19th and 20th century economies, which were dominated by manufacturing and agriculture. Children, teenagers, and young adults have no direct experience of the old economy. Old economy may also refer to the old blue-chip companies and industries that existed before, specifically the ones that existed before today's high technology companies came onto the scene. In a broad sense, the old economy began during the Industrial Revolution of the late 18th and early 19th century. We include the automotive, steel, and energy industries as part of the old economy. The old economy began when we started mass-producing physical products. At that time, consumers and businesses valued objects according to their physical attributes. Today's high-tech companies are components of the new economy. Since the birth of the new economy, which coincided with when laptops, mobile phones, and the internet became common, the major traditional companies have still been growing, but much more slowly. The new economy refers to an economy where high-tech companies dominate and thrive. Examples include those involved in online activities, automation, nanotech, space technology, virtual reality, augmented reality, autonomous and electric vehicles, renewable energy, artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, and the Internet of Things. In the US, UK, Japan, and other advanced economies, high-tech companies are the driving force of GDP growth today. In the old economy, the drivers were heavy industries such as shipbuilding and steel. In fact, traditional companies would not be able to function without computers, robots, the internet, and other components from high-tech companies. Retailing has changed significantly since the old economy. The proportion of retail sales that take place online has been increasing continuously over the last 20 years. In the 1950s, for example, consumers had to go to where retailers had their stores to buy things. People's lifestyles were very different in the old economy compared to the modern economy. The internet has dramatically changed how we work, play, communicate, socialize, have fun, watch our favorite movies and shows, study, date, and seek medical help.